So let's dive into an overview of OSHA regulations. OSHA, which you may know as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, is like that guardian angel of workplace safety. They set that gold standard for us to keep workers safe and healthy on the job. So here's an overview of OSHA regs that are relevant to hand and wrist safety. OSHA's PPE, personal protective equipment standards, require employers to look at workplace hazards and make sure that you have the appropriate protective gear. This includes gloves, and this is meant to avoid the risk of hand and wrist injuries. So employers need to make sure that workers receive the proper training on the selection, use, and maintenance of PPE. We talked about machine guarding before, so OSHA has a machine guarding standard that requires employers to implement machine guards to equipment that presents a potential hazard. Hazards are typically going to be present at points of operation, ingoing nip points, around rotating parts, and when flying chips or sparks are going to be generated. Guarding methods typically include barrier guards, two-hand or dead man tripping devices, electromagnetic and light beam safety devices, and other methods. OSHA also has a hazard communication standard, and this tells employers that they have to provide info and training to their employees regarding hazardous chemicals that are present in the workplace, including those that can pose risks to your hand and your wrists. This standard helps workers understand the potential hazards that are associated with various substances and how to protect themselves. And then finally, we have OSHA's General Duty Clause. It requires employers to provide a workplace that's free from recognized hazards that are likely to cause serious harm or death. This would, of course, include the obligation to address ergonomic risks that could lead to injuries of the hand, wrist, fingers. You get the idea.